Hi children, good morning everyone. So how are you? So this is the page number 200 children, as we have completed the till here we have completed, okay, where we have completed the words to know. Okay, now it's there in the page number 199. It's a quick recap. Help given to a patient before the arrival of a doctor is called as first aid. We must obey safety rules on the road and follow road signs. Never neglect a wound as germs may cause infection. Any unnecessary movement of a broken bone should be prevented. Cutting off the air supply helps to put out a fire. Treat a burn by washing it with running cold water and applying an antiseptic lotion. Snake bites must be treated immediately. Properly wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. So as you know all these things. Okay, now next page children. Read and answer. Take the correct answers. If you get cut by a dirty or a rusted object, you may get what? Fracture, rabies, sprain or tetanus. Obviously you will get what children? Tetanus. For putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should switch off the electricity supply, turn off the gas supply, throw water on it, or throw lots of sand on it. Yes, this is DWIT. The rabies virus carried by cockroaches, hens, dogs or rabbits. This is dogs. Nail polish, naphthalene balls and paints may contain what? Sugar? No. Salt? No. They can contain the poison. Juice? No. Now next one children. Fill in the blanks. When the skin is cut by rusted object, the injection one must take is called as dash injection. That is what children? Tetanus injection. Tetanus. Tetanus. Tetanus tetanus injection. Dash causes swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. Obviously what is that children? Sprains. Capital you write SPRAIN, sprain. Capital S and small p small r AIN. Easily available objects like sheets of newspaper or pillows can be used as what? Splint, to give a support. SPLINT. Splint, you can write splint children. If a fire is caused by an electric gadget, do not throw water on it. Yes, please do not throw water on it. What you have to throw? You have to throw the sand. Okay. Destroy all dash which can cross their expiry dates. Obviously that is medicines. MEDICINES, medicines. Okay. What is a tourniquet? What can be used as splint in case of fracture? What is a sling? When someone's clothes catches fire, we must not let him run around in the panic. Why? Name the disease caused by the virus carried by dogs and cats. So children, these are the questions. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Okay children, answer these questions. What first aid should be done given in a minor wound? So in the case of minor wound, what we can do? We can wash the wound and we can apply the antiseptic lotion. Okay, and tie with the sterile gauze. Okay, what would you help someone if a bleeding nose? Yes, keep a ice pack on the nose and keep the victim as a comfortable position, and the head should be up. Okay, what is a splint? Splint is a it can be made up of the sheets of newspaper or pillows, and it can give the support to a broken bone. Yes, we must not prick blisters. Why? See, the open blisters can spread the infections. Okay, that is the reason we should not prick the blisters. How will you put off fire caused by the defective wiring? Okay, defecting wiring that cause the electrocution. Okay, we should not pour the water on it. We should pour the sand on it, and at first we have to switch off the main switch. What first aid should be given in the case of the snake bite? Okay, first we have to tie the tourniquet at the both sides, and then we have to rush the victim to the hospital. Okay, Thin can answer, children. Venu is a 4-year-old boy. His mother keeps on medicines on the top shelf on the rack. Why? See, children, the medicines can be consist of a poisonous material. So, if the 4-year boy can consume that poison, then it can be dangerous for the child. That is the reason she keeps that all the medicine on the top of the shelf, so that it should not reachable to the Venu. Firemen crawl on the floor of the room filled with the smoke. Why do they do this? Okay, obviously, if the fireman is there, then obviously the fire should not reach to them. That is the reason they are doing this. Do and learn. Draw lines to match these road signs with their meanings. Okay, no entry, no parking, no honking, no left turn, no right turn, no U-turn. Okay, this one is no parking. Okay, this one is no honking. This one is no left turn, no right turn, no U-turn, no entry, like this. Okay, make a chart. With the help of an adult, find out the telephonic numbers of your nearest police station, fire station, doctor and chemist. Write down all the numbers on a sheet of chart paper and pin up with chart with any convenient place in your house. Okay, you can write in the diary also, children, no problem in that. Okay, science online. To know about more first aid, visit this link. You can visit, children. Life skills. You notice a fire in an electric wire in your classroom. Take the what you would do. You tell all your classmates to vacate the room and inform your class immediately. Yes, children, we need to do. You ran away from the classroom. No. You throw the water on the fire. No. Okay, so this completes your lesson number 4. Okay, children. Yes, you can write this. You can continue with this, and you can write the fill in the blanks. Okay, here the textual exercise is very less, children. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye, everyone.